Let's wrap up the onboarding process by taking a step-by-step approach to create our final task: setting up a production project. We're going to start by creating a new project, link it to a customer, add deliverables, review the generated build sequence, and then generate a schedule for the project. Let's dive into the plan section and navigate to projects. Let's kick things off by adding a new project. We'll name it P2025-001. This project will focus on a rotary feeder for Bulk Process Corporation, with a due date set for the end of May. Once the project is created, we'll move on to the Project Navigator section to add deliverables. Let's select the project we just set up. In the Project Navigator, we're going to use task templates and service templates to add deliverables to our project. First up, let's add a deliverable and call it Design. Add that. Then another one named Fabrication. Fabrication will depend on the design with no gap in between. Let's proceed to add some tasks to the design deliverable. We have options to add a task, product, or external services. Let's go with adding a task. We'll select a task from the template and name it Mechanical Design, allocating 40 hours for this task. Next, we'll add Electrical Design and allocate 20 hours for it. Let's add that. These tasks can be executed in parallel. Now let's assign these tasks to team members. We'll assign a predefined designer for the mechanical design and do the same for electrical design. Continuing with the fabrication deliverable, let's add a step called Routing. We'll allocate 4 hours for routing and assign someone qualified from the template to handle this. Moving on, let's add the product we need to deliver to the customer. Select the product, which is the rotary feeder, and add it. This product will depend on the routing step. We'll include a 1-day gap to account for release time. Although we can rearrange, it makes sense to keep the current order for clarity. Let's now review the build sequence for the assembly. The system auto-generates a build sequence: leaf parts first, then sub-assemblies, and finally the complete assemblies. You have the option to override this sequence if necessary. This time, we'll stick with the auto-generated sequence and save it. Excellent. We also have the option to enter manual cost estimates for each deliverable. Feel free to do so if required. Next, let's open our project list and generate a work order so that team members can log time against it. Let's generate that work order. We've created work order number 1 and it's saved. Now let's check our Kanban. The project is currently in the backlog, but let's assume it's already planned. Having completed all preliminary tasks, let's move the project to In Progress and assign it Priority 1. With that set, we can now generate a schedule for the project. This is our active project. It's the only project we want to schedule right now. The system will generate its schedule. One project is selected. The schedule generation is underway. Wonderful. Now that the project is scheduled, let's view it in the Gantt chart. You'll see the schedule along with an estimated completion date. This project is due at the end of May. We expect to finish it around mid-April. With the schedule in place, head over to the Execute section. You can view how work centers and team members will be allocated for the upcoming month. Finally, let's circle back to our step-by-step setup and mark everything as complete. This concludes our onboarding process.